Welcome to BlackJackSpecial.
Welcome back to the channel, BlackJackSpecial. Back with another video for you guys. Guys, we're here to pick up the G right now. About to show you guys what this thing looks like with the wheels on there and the brakes on there. Don't want to do much long talking. Let's just go. Look at this thing, guys. Look at crazy. Jeez. Brakes are looking crazy in there, guys. Check out the front. Yeah, guys, let me show you guys the car right now. All right, sorry I didn't do a video in a minute, but I'm showing you guys how the car is sitting right now. We still got a lot of work to do to get this thing sitting right, but we finally got the brakes on. We finally got some new wheels. Let's do it. Yeah, guys, so that's a quick little video to show you guys what the car looks like. I'll do a POV drive home for you guys. Finally got my GoPro back, so yeah, let's do a video. Drive home, see how the car is handling, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Oh, one more thing I gotta show you guys. So right here, see that? So we fucked up with the fitments when we ordered the wheels. So you guys can see, she poking out way too much. So we gotta have to order two new wheels in the back because I don't want to do any cambering, to be honest. So that's the only fuck up, but for now, that's why we're so high right now. You guys can see we're pretty high. So see all that gap. So we got to run it like that right now because we're rubbing just a little bit though. So yeah, but that's what we're looking at, guys. I think it's looking crazy, but yeah. Yeah, guys, hopefully you guys can see properly because I can't tell if this thing is good or not. I hope this video is turning out good because I have the camera facing down and I don't know if it's a good view or not. I really hope it turns out good, man. This road is so bad, guys. I was gonna go a nice little tunnel. Yeah, so bad. So far, guys, the car is running good, but sometimes it does this weird shit where going to limp mode because I guess one of the throttle bodies, something's going on where it's not getting either a proper signal or it's the motor and the throttle body is going. So these are aftermarket throttle bodies I have on this car. I think they're EPS, big bull throttle body. So what we're gonna end up trying to do is go back to stock throttle bodies by the end of this. In the next little bit, I'm thinking the next month or so, we'll see how it goes. Save some money. I have stock throttle bodies at home, so I don't have to buy any, but I gotta still get the car kind of somewhat retuned. So yeah. Enjoy the car, get the throttle body issue fixed. Forgot to get an alignment. I gotta get an alignment, guys. Big time. Big time. This thing sounds crazy. all the lights. I love wasting gas. I hang out in second gear and just, these lights are pretty good. Not bad, man, not bad. Super bright, love them. What's up, bro? Good? Where did I put my keys? Okay, guys, we here, baby. Yeah, guys, you know what it is. Thanks for watching. Just a quick little video. Don't forget to like, share, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Back to making videos. Cars running. Let's get it. One love, guys. Take care.
To myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot, and I can't stop. And I can't stop.